So children, you know who lives in the jungle? Yes, we are going to see some wild animals. Yes. Now who is this? It's a lion. He is the king of the jungle. And can you see? He's golden in color. And he has lots of fur on his face. Can you see here? The leopard and the lion, they are sitting in the jungle. And they both are very good friends. And now, some more wild animals are going to come in this jungle. Yes? Look at this. They all are there in this jungle. The hippopotamus is coming. Storm, storm, storm. And the giraffe is happily eating the green leaves. And the monkey is going, hoo, 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 hoo. And the lion is sitting. Yes? Now, what is going to happen in the jungle? Let's see. Now, the hippo says we are having so much fun in this jungle. And I love the green leaves, says the giraffe. So the hippo starts to sing. He says, come on now, let us sing together. And they all hold hands and they sing together. Suddenly it starts becoming dark. And everybody says, lion says, oh, what's going on? The hippo says, oh, what's going on? Suddenly, the shikari comes and catches all the wild animals. And now, when he catches all the wild animals, they go to the zoo. Now we see the zoo. Now see what is happening in the zoo. Everyone is so sad. The lion says that see my color is changing. Leopard say yeah, I am having very little water in a bowl. And the hippo says that there is no hardly any water for me to splash around. And the monkey says, oh see, people are staring. Now you know what we will do is we will have to go to the shikari and ask him to let us free in the wild, because they all were happy in their wild. Yes? Suddenly they go to the shikari and they say, please Mr. Shikari, we all are unhappy here. We want to go back to the zoo. The shikari sees that they all are very sad, and he then, what does the shikari do? He takes them all back to their wild, back in the jungle, all the animals, and they start to sing. So, thank you children.